5 yeast infection symptoms women should never ignore. Having some weird feelings about your vagina. It may be caused by a yeast infection. Relax, 3 out of 4 women will get a yeast infection once in their lives. This is super common. Learn about the key symptoms about yeast infections and start treating a yeast infection right away before your symptoms get worse. Number 1. Itching. The most common symptom of yeast infections is itching, no matter it is from the inside or outside. Such itching can be uncomfortable and embarrassing. Either it is just minor itching or itching like crazy. If you feel like you have to constantly scratch, that means something goes wrong. It is better to get it checked out by a doctor before it gets worse. Number 2. Thick, cheesy discharge. Regular discharge from vagina usually is normal and has nothing to worry about. But one of the obvious symptoms of yeast infections is your discharges become thick and cheesy. If you notice your discharge constantly and suddenly changes its texture, you may need to treat a yeast infection right away. Number 3. Redness and swelling of the vulva. Apart from the discharge and itchiness, one of the obvious symptoms is your vulva will become red, swell and so for no reason. Even the rashes appear in the vaginal area sometimes. And you should better to get checked out by doctor to make sure you have a right treatment. Number 4. Painful when you pee. Since your skin is irritated if it is a yeast infection, it feels like burning during urination. This is the symptom that women always mention to doctors, even if they didn't realize other symptoms. Number 5. Burning sensation during sex. As mentioned, your skin becomes irritated from soreness and redness of vulva. So, when it's painful and dry during sex, you may think it's about the sexual problems rather than a yeast infection at first. It is better to see a doctor to make sure you have the correct diagnosis to treat your symptoms.